So Mr. Burns and I are quickly pulling the heads off of the new to us motor for Joey. And grab me a light real quick. The cylinders look incredible. Actually, they have quite a bit of nice crosshatch.
Your hands clean?
Yeah.
I know you like.
Clean.
I know you like to keep your flashlights a little bit cleaner.
I
try to keep mine clean, but so many touches them.
He cleans his fleshlight.
I just take them in the shower. That's all I have to do. That's my fleshlight.
Your fleshlights breathe. Anyway.
Yeah, these actually don't really
Look
look
at
that
that.
bad.
That's not bad at all. There's a lot of crosshatch. It's really nice.
Are we finally getting some good news with this engine?
This engine is good news.
Yeah. I mean, so
Alan's
far
gonna
it's
get a
good.
backstory on it.
Okay.
Mr. Burns, you want to pull that head off real fast? Just grab it and yank it because it's already off for the most part. Please. Please, darling. There you go. Okay, that looks pretty damn good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, like seriously, look at this.
That's actually way better than his other engine was. All right, so we're good. I'm going to clean this up and start getting ready to put his nicer heads on here.
You're going to play with Joey's head?
That's your job.
Well, this is true.
What?
I am good. What?
Whore.
And?
Nothing. We already knew that. Slut.
I'm gonna open that
Trampolina.
cam plate.
Okay.
Who cares?
Let's go video that next. Let's go over there.
Let's go.
Dance. Dance, bitch.
Dance, monkey!